got an interesting one. So the unit's not heating, have no heat. Found my main breakers disconnected. I'm gonna have to mount that. It's not disconnected, but my transformer's out, so I ain't got any power anywhere. First thing I noticed was this little mouse took off. Need to cap that somehow. I really need to figure out how to ammo proof these things. But I'm in a rural remote setting and he's in there somewhere right now. But this little mouse, look at these wires. Look at this. He's chewed all of it off. I gotta run new thermostat wire. Yeah, any suggestions? Man, oh man. Nasty. Look at that capacitor.